Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to change the email on your LinkedIn account. So let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture or the me icon in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. In the Settings section, tap Sign In and Security. Then tap Email Addresses. Here you will see all the email addresses linked to your account. To add a new email, tap Add Email Address. LinkedIn may ask you to verify that it is really you. They might send a 6-digit verification code to your existing email address or phone number. Copy the code, enter it in the verification field, and tap Submit. After that, enter the new email address you want to use. In the password field, type your account password to confirm. When you finish, tap Submit, then tap Done. Now check your new email inbox. LinkedIn will send you a message to verify the new email address. Open that email and follow the steps to confirm it. Usually, you just need to tap the verification link and log in. Once your new email is verified, you can make it your primary email by selecting it and tapping Make Primary. You may also be asked to enter your password to confirm. Just type your password and tap Done. If you want, you can also remove the old email by tapping Remove next to it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.